What's up, you guys? So I finally got my Speedfactory rods and my King race bearings in. So I thought I would do a little unboxing video. Let me just find a knife real quick. No, I have one laying around here somewhere. I've been waiting on these for a few days now. It's the last thing to get in the mail with the stuff that I just ordered. So that's the rods, and there's supposed to be some King bearings in here. Here's the bearings. See them right there. B20Z2, D series, whatever. I think they're all the same anyways. I got the STDX ones. I've never tried these before. Thought I'd give it a shot. They're supposed to be for extra oil clearances. I don't remember seeing these back in the day. I'm not sure if they're newer or what, but these are them right here. I'm not gonna take them out until it's time to install them, but that's weird. These are rod bearings. You know what? I'm gonna open these and look at one of them just so I can verify that they're the right ones. Because they're supposed to be the STDX ones, race bearings. Okay, yeah, you can see it right there. It says, if I can get it to focus. Let me see if I can get it to focus real quick. But yeah, it says STDX right there, so these are the right ones. Maybe I'm thinking of the main bearings that have the little groove, that have that little groove in the center right here. It's been a while since I've been in this Honda stuff. I'm finally getting back into it. But yeah, well, there's the bearings. Let me just put these away. Slowly but surely getting all these little parts together. These are the ones I've really been waiting to check out and open up. Probably more than I need. It was supposed to be an all motor B20 VTEC. As you can tell, we're not going down that route no more. Let's it looks like I don't need a knife. Maybe I do. No, these are just all the instructions and everything. How to torque them and all that. Basic stuff. Specifications and stuff like that. Cool. And all the hardware. I don't think I need to take those out to show them, but it's all the ARP hardware. Nice. I thought they already came in the caps and everything. I guess they're separate in the back. I didn't know that. And these are the rods. Let's set this to the side. It's weird. I thought they would have given me some kind of sticker or something. Okay, let's see. See if I can even open this. It might be a little difficult with these gloves on. And boom. And they got these things wrapped up nice and oiled. There they are. This is just oil and stuff on here, but see a comparison to my size of my hand and stuff. Not too bad. I wish I had the factory rods here still to compare them to them, but yeah, definitely more than what I need, so I'm not too worried about having any issues. Will look nice to have these things in the block though. Pretty beefy looking. Says they're up for 900 horsepower, but stock sleeves on this block, so I don't think I'm gonna try to push it too crazy. But yeah, just thought I'd give you guys a little video of the unboxing of these rods. Make a little more content, you know. And I think next week on Wednesday I'm going to order the BME pistons, Speedfactory pistons as well. So, and I'm gonna get the heavy duty wrist pins for those too. So should make for a nice little setup. And I only want to make like I said, 320, 300, 350 reliably. So yep, stay tuned and I'll be posting more videos. Like and subscribe if you guys haven't done that already. Thanks for watching.